Beneath the waves, in the depths of our oceans, dwell two of the marine world's most captivating and enigmatic creatures, sharks and rays. With their sleek, graceful bodies and uncanny adaptations, they've ruled the seas for millions of years. But what if we told you these seemingly different beings are in fact ancient relatives? Today, we embark on a journey to unveil the astounding relationship between sharks and rays, explore their shared lineage, and uncover the extraordinary ways they've adapted to their environments. To fully grasp the connection between sharks and rays, we must dive deep into Earth's prehistoric past. Over 400 million years ago, a primordial ancestor of both sharks and rays roamed the ancient seas. This creature belonged to a group known as elasmobranchs, a classification of fish defined by skeletons made not of bone, but of flexible cartilage. This evolutionary branch diverged, giving rise to two paths, one toward the agile hunters we call sharks, the other toward the mysterious flat-bodied marvels we know as rays. Sharks evolved to become the masters of open-water dominance, streamlined for speed and power. Rays, meanwhile, developed a different approach, an adaptation to life near the ocean floor, their bodies evolving into flattened forms that allowed them to slip silently across the seabed. While sharks and rays appear distinct, they share a structural foundation that's nothing short of fascinating. Their bodies are armored with tiny tooth-like scales called dermal denticles, creating a rough, sandpaper-like texture. These unique structures reduce drag and allow them to glide through water with eerie efficiency. Yet, it's their body shapes that truly set them apart. Sharks are streamlined, sleek predators with torpedo-like forms built for swift pursuit. In contrast, rays are masters of stealth and precision, their bodies wide and flat, with pectoral fins that stretch like wings from their heads to their tails. This wing-like adaptation grants rays the ability to fly along the ocean floor, often blending seamlessly with sand and rock. Sharks and rays are true marvels of sensory adaptation, possessing an arsenal of superpowers to detect even the faintest signs of life around them. One of their most extraordinary abilities lies in electroreception, the capacity to sense electric fields produced by other organisms. Special organs known as ampullae of Lorenzini, tiny jelly-filled pores located on their heads, allow them to detect the faintest electrical signals emitted by prey, even if it's hiding beneath sand or rock. In the dim depths of the ocean, where sight alone cannot suffice, these creatures are equipped to navigate a sensory world that we can barely imagine. They can sense movement, heartbeat, even muscle contractions, all with a precision that makes them among the ocean's most effective hunters. Breathing underwater is another domain where sharks and rays reveal their unique adaptations. Many shark species employ ram ventilation, a process where they must swim constantly to push water over their gills, drawing in oxygen to sustain their powerful bodies. Rays, however, have a different method suited to their bottom-dwelling lifestyle. They possess specialized respiratory openings known as spiracles, located just behind their eyes. This allows them to breathe while lying still on the ocean floor, filtering water directly through these openings to avoid inhaling sand or debris. These divergent respiratory mechanisms reveal the brilliant adaptations that have enabled both sharks and rays to thrive in their chosen realms. As apex predators, both sharks and rays have evolved remarkable strategies to capture prey, each suited to their distinct habitats. Sharks, with their speed and strength, often rely on power and precision. Whether it's the lightning-fast strike of the mako shark or the strategic ambush of the great white, these hunters approach with relentless focus. Rays, on the other hand, are masters of camouflage and ambush. Species like stingrays bury themselves beneath the sand, waiting until unsuspecting prey draws near before lunging forward to strike. This ambush technique is perfected through millions of years of evolution, showcasing an entirely different but equally effective predatory prowess. Though often solitary, Some shark and ray species exhibit fascinating social behaviors. Hammerhead sharks, for instance, are known to gather in large schools during migrations, a rare sight that mystifies scientists. Similarly, manta rays display a breathtaking social grace, often seen gliding in groups as they journey across vast stretches of the ocean. These migrations are not only critical for their survival, but also essential for maintaining healthy ocean ecosystems. Through their movements, these creatures disperse nutrients across vast marine areas, fostering life in ways we're only beginning to understand. The reproduction of sharks and rays is another area where we see both their shared traits and distinct differences. Sharks are known for their slow reproductive rates, with many species giving birth to live young, or pups, after extended gestation periods. This slow reproduction process makes sharks particularly vulnerable to population decline. Rays, however, exhibit both live birth and egg-laying methods, depending on the species. Skates, a subgroup closely related to rays, lay egg cases often referred to as mermaid's purses, small, leathery pouches that protect developing embryos. These unique reproductive strategies reveal the diverse ways elasmobranchs have adapted to ensure their offspring's survival. Sharks and rays are more than just impressive hunters. They're keystone species whose presence keeps marine ecosystems balanced. By controlling the populations of fish and other marine life, they prevent the overgrazing of vital habitats, like coral reefs and seagrass beds. But their survival is now under threat from human activities, including overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction. Due to their slow reproductive cycles and long lifespans, both sharks and rays are particularly susceptible to population decline, with several species now classified as endangered. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these incredible animals, but they rely heavily on our awareness and respect for these ancient beings. In essence, the difference between sharks and rays comes down to their adaptations to distinct ecological niches. Sharks are the masters of open water, built for speed and strength, while rays are agile navigators of the ocean floor, blending in and moving with stealth. Though their paths have diverged, they remain linked by their shared evolutionary heritage and their crucial roles in our ocean ecosystems. Together, sharks and rays embody the rich diversity and ancient wisdom of our oceans. They serve as reminders of evolution's profound impact, showcasing how two creatures can evolve side by side, yet adapt in unique, marvelous ways. Their presence is a testament to the beauty of balance within nature, each playing its role to maintain the intricate web of marine life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of sharks and rays. If you enjoyed learning about these extraordinary creatures, please like, subscribe, and share to help spread awareness. Let's continue to explore and protect our oceans, preserving these majestic species for generations to come.